And Senior Assistant Public Defender, working on behalf of Ms. Murdoch. Would you please state your name, ma'am?
Nicole Murdoch. Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't know I was supposed to be here. I would have been here a long time ago.
I do have a plea form, but we have a progress report. Have you seen it?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm
Go
prepared
ahead.
to address it. Your Honor, in terms of the progress report, as you can see, the very, if you would like, I will focus in on the mist as well as the opiate, just
That's
so
fine.
that you'll have the whole picture. When Miss Murdoch was released from the jail, she immediately went over to community corrections. She did not know that she would need $12 for her testing, and she did not have that with her. So she came back the very next day and tested. And you'll see those two. There's the missed day. Oh, sorry.
And then the negative.
You'll see there's the missed day, and then the day she came back. And then she stated that there was one other day that is missed, where she was unable to make a payment. Ms. Murdoch indicates, and she is also on
This, I think it's the where you blow twice
on the
a day.
sober leave,
Yes.
where she blows twice a day. She is indicating that she was very surprised when she learned of the positive for opioids. She states that she had been at work and had been having some
menstrual cramps. I'm actually on the verge of getting a hysterectomy because of them.
And because of that, she had gotten some pain medicine from a colleague. She did not know that it was an opiate. She had no idea. She is willing to test today, and she indicates that she does not use marijuana. She has not had any positive sober link, and she is willing to test twice a week if that would make Your Honor feel more comfortable with her out in the community. But she is very adamant that she was not aware that she was given anything that was an opiate or that would test like an opiate.
I swear to God, I don't do drugs, Mr. Simpson. I'm almost 50 years old. I work from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. When I'm not asleep, I'm a full-time mother. If I had known that, I would have never took it. Very big mistake, definitely.
This is where the judge draws an important line. Even if Murdoch genuinely didn't know the medication contained an opiate, the court is still dealing with a positive test under her release conditions. Her explanation matters, but the bigger question is whether the court can trust her to follow those conditions going forward. What would you have decided in the judge's position?
Well, then obviously regardless of the reason, she's taking medication that she should be taking.
I would
She
never
would not do
that
that.
a day in life.
It comes back positive as opiates.
I had no idea.
She will not do that again.
Never in life, I promise you, as God is my witness.
Not good enough.
Your Honor, would it
not
be okay
Go ahead.
if she drug tested today for you?
I'll do every day for you.
And I do believe she tested yesterday and it was
And
negative.
Friday. Every day I'll go for you. Every single day, I promise. To show you that I don't do
Counsel approach.
I can't give me a minute. It's just me and my baby. My brother lives way in Flint. Enter myself in for how long? Sure. I'll have to get this. I'll come back to
Your Honor, I would just like to state again that she is very apologetic, that she knows that she should not have taken medication, and she did not, but she did not realize that it was an opiate.
I did not.
She just thought it was regular medication.
Your Honor,
If Your Honor is going to incarcerate her, we would ask that she have the opportunity to make arrangements for her son. She has a brother who lives in Flint that she can get in touch with and hopefully get her son there tonight. And she will report to the Washington County Jail by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
I came as soon as you asked me today.
And she is willing to testify.
For sure.
I'll adjourn her probable cause conference to the 12th, March 12th at 9 a.m. I'll give her a chance to get arrangements to take care of her child. So I'll indicate that I'll continue her bond at this point in time. Defendant is to report to the Washington County Jail with ID at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At which point then her bond will be revoked.
Sir, do you know how long I should advise my brother or my son?
At least a week.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I do apologize for anything.
Thank you.
Court calls the case. People versus Jennifer Bishop.
Alexander, on behalf of people, Your Honor.
Jordan, please state your name for the court.
Ethan Jordan. All right. I have before me a plea form. Indicates that he would be pleading guilty to an added count of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a 1-year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. Defendant is also agreeing to write a letter of apology to the victims, and also there is an agreement to sentencing under. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct.
And that is a correct statement.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
State your name, please.
Ethan Jordan.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
I do.
Still wish, and I also do have to advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court.
Understood.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
I do.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I have.
Any question regarding those rights?
Sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights. If you are part of a trial, you understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Understood.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
I do.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am.
Were you on probation or parole at the time of this offense?
I was.
Both? Well, not
Probation.
You were on probation? Out of what court?
15th district.
Now the stakes get even higher. Jordan admits he was already on probation when this incident happened, meaning this guilty plea could potentially create consequences beyond the current case. The judge makes sure he understands that risk before accepting the plea, because once that guilty plea is entered, there's no trial to fall back on.
You understand that your entry of a plea in this case could be a violation of that probation.
I do.
You understand that as such, that court could set you to the maximum allowable under that other charge.
I do.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty to this charge.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you in anything?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
I am.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
November 29, 2025, at the location of 1201 South Main Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you come into contact with a police officer from the University of Michigan Department of Public Safety?
Yes, sir.
And what happened?
I was denied entry into the stadium based off an invalid ticket, and
You were
Is it-
denied entry into the stadium without a ticket.
an invalid ticket, but yes. I resisted a not campus security, stadium security officer. And then after which police officers came to assist in removing me from the stadium. And it was at that point where
So you went to the stadium and you just decided to go without a ticket?
I was kind of like scammed out of a ticket.
You were scammed out of the ticket?
I purchased a ticket that was invalid.
Oh.
So,
You're still going to go anyway.
no, that wasn't the intent.
Mr. Jordan, you were denied entry into the stadium, correct? And security tried to get you to leave
Correct.
and escort you out,
Correct.
and you resisted that attempt.
Correct.
And then U of M police officers, uniformed, approached, and they attempted to assist the security and
Yes.
escort you out, and you continued to resist.
Yes.
And you realized they were giving you lawful commands to leave the stadium.
Eventually, I did. Yes.
Did you realize?
Well, no, you eventually left, but you realized that at the time they were giving you the order or attempting to try to get you to leave the stadium, that they were giving you a lawful command to leave the stadium.
Yes.
You understand that between the time that I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
I do.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
March 31st at 9 a.m.
March 31st, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood. Bond will continue.
Very good.
you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.